Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 3 minutes, so let's see what happens. Have an order at 54.35 here. Excellent, got those. Looking like I might be able to build a bigger position here. So again, opening allotment at 54.35. Let's see what this wants to do. Market's been open just shy of 10 minutes, so it's been open about 8 minutes right now. Yeah, let's see if this thing wants to roll back over. I may look to add more if this candle takes shape here. So let's see what kind of candle forms. Yep, definitely adding some after that candle. So let's see if we can get a move to the downside. And it's currently trying to make a move downwards. $54.40 being pretty stubborn here. So out there, so let's see if we can get this thing to roll over some more. Maybe even get down through 54. And there is the break. So all out there, $344. And let's see, that trade lasted a total of about 2 minutes. So $344 in 2 minutes, I'll take it. But let's see what else I can find. Little update here on NTAP, so you can see that nothing really played out. I mean, obviously that was a profitable move, but never really collapsed and is now actually bouncing back upwards, and the range has tightened up quite a bit. So I'm not going to say I'm not interested in it, but what I am potentially interested in is Facebook here. Is it all of a sudden? Oh, okay, well, yeah, no. Yes, you hear typing. That's just me making an alert in the chat room that I offer. But yeah, Facebook definitely 205. So I'd be interested in showing up there at 212.65. Still a ways to go. So I don't know. I might be getting too greedy trying to get that, but we'll see what happens. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and cancel. That's pulling back now. So was indeed getting way too greedy and unrealistic on that one. Let's see what else I can find. All right, I believe this thing wants to go down below 212.50. Facebook now getting just tried to break out there and then pulled back on the break, which leads me to believe there's going to be at least some weakness showed up, and there we go. So quick $55. Now you also have to honor the fact that this thing isn't a strong uptrend, so that's why I'm not going to go for some huge score. But as I was right, figured there'd be at least enough weakness to put $50 into my pocket. Well, actually, if you're not familiar with my screen down here, shows the profit, $56 in my pocket. So I'll take it, 56 bucks, and I don't know, what was that, maybe 5-10 seconds? I'm very happy with that. But let's see what else I can find. Update here on Facebook, got that one very, very wrong. It totally just crashed. So in hindsight, yeah, could have played that one much differently, but that's good old hindsight there. So, if you're keeping track, first one, NTAP, definitely played that one right in hindsight, but in hindsight, definitely played that one wrong. But yeah, I mean, that trend was so strong, and that's, like I said, I wanted to respect it, but yeah, quite the pullback, but it happens. Good old hindsight. Have an order at 82.15 here on SQ to get short 500 shares. Whether or not it can get through 82 will be the big question, and it can get through it. So now can it work its way up to 82.15? I will keep a close eye on it. All right, I adjusted my order up to 82.35 and it's getting quite close to potentially filling me. Okay, I'm in there for my opening 500 shares. So let's see what it wants to do. And it decided to give me the quick $50. Gonna go up to 82.45 now. Start the process over again. So again, if it can get up to 82.45, then I will go for another 500 shares. And it's trying. I will keep you updated. Okay, it's making a move upwards again. I adjusted my order up to 82.55 now. So we'll see if it can get through that 82.50 mark. I will keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 82.65. Again, had to adjust it upwards. Well, that makes me feel better. Even if I had left my original order there, it still only hit 82.54, so I wouldn't have been filled regardless. So that does make me feel better. All right, we'll see if it can get back up above 82.50. All right, I apologize. Sorry about that. I got filled at 29.25, and I mean, everything happened in literally the blink of an eye, microseconds. So I got filled, and then I got the videos rolling again. And then as soon as I got the video rolling again, I moved my cursor over here to hit sell to lock in my sell order because I was willing to sell for 29.35, but to show just how fast the price moved within the time span that I got filled, dragged my cursor to hit record, and then dragged my cursor to hit sell, the price had moved back up to 29.49. So in that situation, making videos actually made me money there because I was able to get that much more from it. Again, I was willing to take the $50, which would have been $29.35, but because it moved so fast and because I was quote unquote delayed by a half second, if that, because I needed to first get the videos rolling again and recording, I was then able to get another, what is that? I think my math is right, $71. So the half second actually led to basically $71 more in my pocket. So absolutely crazy, crazy movement here. And it's pulled back down. So you know what? Sometimes, making these videos is a little difficult because I'll screw up and I'll, press the wrong button, all of that. But in this situation, it's always a two-way street, right? Life has its pros and cons. Here is a situation where because I was making this video, it actually helped me make $71 more than what I had planned. So with that being said, it is 11 o'clock almost. So I want to do a quick little teaching lesson here, and by doing so, I'll also knock out probably the most popular question, the most common question I get, and that question being, hey Clay, I know you offer this community. In fact, earlier on in this video, you heard typing, and I made the comment that I was, I'm just typing up alerts. So Clay, how does this community work? What do you get and all that? So to offer up some context here, this was what I posted, a couple alerts right before the market actually opened, and the key dynamic here was KHC and then 2870 as the key flush point. Flush meaning going down for a shorting opportunity. If you're new, all shorting means is you make money if a price goes down. I get it. That sounds crazy. It sounds bizarre. But yes, in the financial markets, it is possible for you to make money when prices go down. And then also alerted Tesla, but Tesla, nothing ever came to that. It never even tested, at least as of right now, never hit 730. So, that alert, nothing played out. But KHC 2870, and I honestly and accurately should have been even up more than what I was. But along the topic of give and take, when you work from home, it's great. But on the flip side, sometimes you get distracted. Your kids come in and you're like, I'm going to go hang out for a second. You lose track of time. And that's what happened here. So again, going back to the video, the first, I got it set up. And then between getting it set up and then coming back, like I said, I got distracted only for, 10 minutes, we'll call it, because I came back and the market had been open for right around 8 minutes. But within that time span, again, KHC and that green line represents that 2870 mark, which I had, pointed out. So again, 2870, that key flush point, and that's with that green line. So this is what happened. There is the first minute of the day, and then there is a second minute. There was the price breaking down. And again, that is, the learning lesson here is, yes, in the market, you can make money when prices go down. Crazy but true. So broke down through there, and then yeah, next minute, even lower, next minute, even lower, next minute, even lower. And of course, you get back and you see stuff like this, and it's very, very tempting to chase, but you just can't start to short all the way down there. That is just, that's not a good habit to form. But the point here being, members had a fantastic opportunity to do very, very well. And had I been around, like I said, I would like to think that I'd be up even more than what I was. But still, $571 in essentially 90 minutes. I'm not sure many other places in the world where you can make that. And as my trading philosophy goes, $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm very happy with 571, and like I said, 90 minutes. But that is how the chat room works. So a quick little example of that. And then yeah, as a learning lesson, believe it or not, you can make money no matter what direction a price goes. Not necessarily with stocks, but really with anything. And that's what's called shorting or going short or being short, all variations of that. So if you are interested in joining, then all you have to do is go to claytrader.com/team. And the way to approach this, as I talk about in most of these videos, is the question becomes, okay, $99 for 3 months access. Do I believe the service can make me more than $8.25, not per day, but per week? If you think the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week, then you will get a great return on your investment. So that's really the way to approach that. And there is a mobile app too, so it's not like you have to stay chained to your computer or anything like that. You can stay in touch no matter where you are. And then also, just as a request, if you enjoy these live trade videos and would like for me to continue to make these, then the easiest way to communicate that to me is to please hit that like button and leave a comment down below and just let me know, yeah, I enjoy these, please keep doing them, because sometimes they can be a hassle, although as you saw here, the hassle of needing to hit the record button first actually worked out $71 in my favor. So it is a two-way hassle street, but yeah, sometimes it's just much easier to trade without having to explain yourself with every little bit. But like I said, if you enjoy these, I will keep making them, and hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And then also check out the channel. Lots of other content on the channel. So hopefully you decide to hit that subscribe button also. But thank you for hanging out. And yeah, get out there. And if you're intrigued and new, it is totally possible to make money when prices go down. Fascinating, but totally, totally possible and true, as you saw here. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.